made it to
UTV Invasion. So Matt, can you tell us about the modifications you've done on your car at UTV Invasion?
We used a crescent wrench, got the radiator straight, we cut the hose back, rerouted it to get it shoved back on the radiator.
Now, do your A-arms still match?
Nope.
That's another customization?
Andrew picked a set up in Utah when he went through, so we got a full set of A-arms. The shocks were still okay.
Yeah.
So Randy at K&T got me a radiator, but we didn't have time to put it in. But this one's still not leaking. We didn't do much else. The tires all held air.
I like your unique strap system here.
We had to do a major weight reduction to get it to go through.
Oh yeah. So
some of it weight reduced itself. That was the easiest part.
You dropped some pounds there.
The back end's got a new trailing arm on it. We have a new right front axle.
Oh, so that trailing arm got toasted,
Yeah,
huh?
it got toasted. LNBT, UTV A-arms they stayed in there.
Nice.
Air cleaner stayed on, so we're gonna.
But you're still kicking ass out here, man. It's amazing.
We're gonna drive it, 'cause that's all we got. So
I love watching your door flap as you're going. That's probably my favorite part.
Yesterday the hood was flapping, but I zip tied it down.
I saw that. Oh, dude, that was an awesome race, man. Hey, Matt, you gotta tell us about your limiting straps. I mean, nobody's making adjustable limiting straps.
These are what holds down in the trailer, but they also hold down on the track.
You know, nobody's pulling that stuff, dude. Adjustable limiting straps. It's amazing.
Those are also purpose as tow your back when you break straps.
Yeah,
so they're dual purpose.
You can just undo them, hook it up to a car, you're good.
So I didn't notice yesterday when I rolled it, but this here says this side faces up. Had I had known that,
you wouldn't roll it?
I wouldn't roll it.
Oh, well, shoot.
If I just known that side had to face up,
yeah,
we wouldn't roll it.
I mean, that's just elementary stuff right there.
But that was under the plastic that got ejected from the upside downness.
Dude, that's so awesome, man. You're just crushing it out here, like, no matter what.
We're going. We sent it. We spent 3 days running and getting parts. We grommed. Everything I went got caught on a grom.
Oh, check out your roof, too. Your roof is a little off canter.
Yeah, if we would have had a GoPro on there, that would have made it even better.
Are you trying to bring, like, the eyebrow down for racing?
That makes it more aerodynamic, does it not?
Oh, it definitely turned into a giant sand scoop when you're rolling upside down.
Do you think Robbie Gordon would approve these welds?
I think Robbie, if you would actually have a car, he could come compete with us, but I don't see Robbie Gordon out here. Does anybody see Robbie Gordon? No speed cars? No speed cars. I don't see no speed cars.
Alright, if you guys would like a cool shirt, like a black one or a white one of these, or this cool hat, go down in the description below, click on the link, get you a new shirt or a hat. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for supporting us, thanks a lot. One was missing plastics. Oh, that was sick!
That was sick.
Dude, he rode that thing.
His door flew off.
He's saving more weight.
Fire coming out of that thing. We got 3 cars left in it. 3 LaRue and 1 Packard left.
That's it, huh? We issues here? So his motor's cooked.
On the dyno we made 800, but we've never turned it up.
Never really
used from the dyno.
But you've got to use it. Yeah.
Like,
It's not controllable.
yeah.
I mean, right there, you willied the whole thing. Dude, that was legit, though. I just feel like your car was quick, even though you're saying he's about 300 horse more.
I'm about like 450.
It just seems fast, though. It's a lit eye contest, though. It works just as fast.
It's good. You get in it, stab it.
That's those cars debut under this owner. It's formerly Brody Cornelius' car.
I was running 50 pounds.
He invented it.
You were?
Yeah.
What's he running in, dude?
Good job, man. That was freaking sweet.
Whatever he feels like at the moment.
Yeah.
He's just like, today this moment I'll do this.
Got all the options in there. Everything's on tap.
Time out here.
Nice. We got Packard versus LaRue. They got to do a rematch for that one.
So does Packard take the win
Yeah.
on the whole event?
I think, yeah, Dooner, Mod, and Outlaw.
Nice. Good job, man. That was awesome.
So there's a good turnout for the relay contest.
Matt already won.
Yeah, I think it did.
Dude, that was
Should have stepped that one off.
Packard crew, but it's like a little ripped, don't you think?
Yeah.
They could work on their arms.
Yeah.
They could work on their arms.
Thank you, appreciate it. Cody killed it.
I only said it because I was this far away from it.
If you were that close, you weren't gonna be. You weren't gonna be in hitting
If I'm
distance.
in arm's length, I'm not.
You're not gonna talk.
I'm not joking.
From here, you think you can outrun him?
Oh, fucking good.
Those people have got to back it up.
I know, I'm like, I hate how close they are.
That was a damn good one.
How'd that feel?
That was a good one. Right here.
Badass.
Come on, cheer for that one. Yeah! That was good. Yeah! That one good.
That one felt good, is that what he said?
Yeah.
F and A, I bet it does.
I hope I don't wheelie over.
That's my favorite thing to do. So I play with wheelies all the time. That's
You obviously got a title.
well practiced.
You got your car scrambled 2 years ago, right?
Yeah.
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 And since then, you've just been
So
turning it up.
you drove like a pussy, but that was
Dude, you were running what? 25 pounds, you said? Boost?
on that last one.
this
Yeah.
wheelie?
The first two I did 20 and then cranked it up to 25.
Nice.
So
What turbo are you running?
The 2860.
All right, buddy. So how do you feel? You won everybody.
Did I win?
Yeah. 260.
It is a cool trophy too. It's a badass.
Well, are they gonna let
Well,
me have it?
are they gonna let me have
They
it?
should. You won.
You got your Desert SXS flag.
Got my swag.
Desert Sex flag?
Desert Sex. We're just thinking about changing the channel to Desert Sex
What do you
because
guys think?
sex sells, right? And we need money for gas. So it's gonna be sweet. We're with our crowd. How many people have already come up to you and said, "I've been watching the channel, man. Keep up the good work"?
Probably 1 million out of the 20 people here. At least 1 million have.
Yeah. The only thing that will make us happier is if you liked and subscribed.
Anybody else's heart?
Holy
Hell yeah.
Desert SXS road trip with the Wolf Pack.